I went to Anderson University for my undergrad, and my husband went there as well. We were actually both political science majors. I was interested in public service and not-for-profit work, so I was actually able to get an entry-level job at Indiana University with their public broadcasting station. So I stuck with that for about 15 years. It wasn't long before my husband started his own residential remodeling business, TT Renovations. I took on the role of doing his accounting. It was becoming more obvious to me that I really did have a knack and an interest in accounting. When I learned about the IU Kelley Master of Science in Accounting degree, I realized it would serve me well from a personal perspective for my husband's business, as well as the kind of work I enjoyed. I looked at where I was in my life and I realized maybe I could take a break, even if it was brief, to pursue a master's degree, and then my experiences and this degree would open, more opportunities, whether it be in the same career or something completely different. Before I knew about the program at IU Kelley, I was under the impression there was no way that as a mom I was going to be able to get a master's degree. The biggest factor that made it possible was the speed with which I could get the master's degree. I didn't look at any program besides IU Kelley. The uniqueness of the program to take somebody who's not in accounting and to make them a CPA, and also have a business degree from IU Kelley. It's very well respected. People know what that means. They know it's a good school. They know it's top ranked. You'll see any kind of industry, whenever they're hiring an accountant, they say CPA preferred. That was a big component of doing the program. It's very important to cover all the different sections that would be on the CPA exam. The MSA program is specifically tailored to be sure that you have all the different classes that you're going to need to be exposed to everything that will be on the exam. I was really impressed with the caliber of the professors and the diversity of backgrounds that they brought. I was able to learn from lifelong professors that I felt like were at the very top of their field academically. They literally wrote the textbooks that we were using. Now that I've completed the Master's of Science in Accounting program from IU Kelley, 3 years later I'm at a new turning point, a new milestone. I work for Sapper & Miller. It's the largest public accounting firm headquartered here in Indianapolis. What's really great about that is that we are headquartered here, and so we're community-based. Sapper & Miller's commitment to the Central Indiana community was very much in keeping with the spirit of what inspired me to begin this endeavor in the first place. I could have just stayed on the trajectory I was on, but I felt the need to do something different and to try something different. The degree from Kelley gives me that momentum to do as much as I want, to take advantage of it and to control it and to go where I want to go.